Appreciating the government's initiative to engage the youth in its vision to make India a developed nation by 2047 through the launch of Viksit Bharat by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, students from different educational institutions shared their views, innovative ideas and suggestions vital for India's progression towards becoming a developed nation within the next 25 years.
Water 2 is climate friendly.
To motivate the youth since from their school level, since from their primary level or secondary level in school, like not only studies about the who are in the books only, that are in the books, but it should be also like for their quality personality, so that they will be a motivated youth and get motivated and to prepare themselves mentally and emotionally to have a very high IQ and EQ as well.
As our Prime Minister said, if my duty starts from 10 a.m., I should come before it only. It's my own responsibility, and we should take all these things as our own responsibility and not take this in such a way that someone is forcing us to do that thing. But we should encourage ourselves and also our next generation to think that when India gets developed, it's our own development.
Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong today came down